Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word woodcock. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The woodcock is known for its distinctive and elaborate courtship display. A woodcock is a type of bird known for its long bill, distinctive markings, and unique aerial courtship display during mating season. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.